Hey there and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these men's pearl necklaces. Don't know if you guys have seen the trend going around on social media and also at Fashion Week. I saw a lot of guys wearing pearls and also celebrities, and I was like, I want a pair of pearls that I can wear, but I don't want to pay that much for them because who knows how long this trend is going to last. So that is what I'm going to show you guys today, how to make them without costing you a whole bunch. So stay tuned for the video, but before we go on with the video, if you're new to the channel, my name is Anthony Arasso and I do men's lifestyle tips, creative content, music, and stuff like that. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the little bell. So before we go on with the video, I did want to introduce you guys to my little teddy bear. So this is my newest addition. His name is Teddy and he is very fluffy and looks like a teddy bear. So hence the name. We are going to give him a bath right before we start this video. So cue the cinematic bath video. Okay, now that we're done with their bath, let me show you the supplies you guys will need. So you'll need some pearls. I'll put a link to these in the description below. You'll need some jewelry pliers, some stretch cord, preferably clear, and some jump rings to help you connect things when you need to apply it to your neck. This also is a good connector too for your necklace, and it's going to help to give you a nice closure. And then these are beads that are going to clamp down and hold the cord together. So you're going to start off by measuring an existing necklace, so that way you can get the measurement that you like. I'm going to cut it exactly the same as the length of the necklace because it fit me perfectly. So I'm going to cut it right there, and then we are going to continue with stringing the pearls. Now there's different ways that you can string it, but I'm going to start off with a knot first so that the bead I put in there does not go through, and then it gives just me a good starting point. So you're going to put in all the beads, and I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can do it. So you can do it where there's a knot in between like this, or you can do it where there's no knot in between and it's just like one after the other. So that's the way I chose to do it. So I'm just going to string them all together. After they're all strung together, you're going to put a clamp bead onto one side, and you're going to loop it through the closure, which is the little clasp closure, and then you're going to enter it back into the bead and then clamp it down with your pliers. And that side is pretty much done. You can cut that excess off and then just stick it right into the pearl. And then with the other side, you're going to use your jump ring. So you're going to do the same exact thing, get one of those beads, put it into the cord, and then you're going to make like a little loop so that you can insert your jump ring right into it, and then you're going to clamp it down with your pliers so that it kind of holds down like the opposite side was. And then you're going to also cut the excess and stick it right back into the pearl. And then with your pliers, you're going to bend the jump ring so that it closes, and then you have your completed necklace, and you just hook it on and it's good to go. So that's pretty much how you do it. It's so easy. It's just stringing beads and adding those closures, which is probably the most difficult thing, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me go put it on and show you guys how it looks. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, found it helpful. I hope you guys like the behind the scenes footage, I guess, of me taking my little puppy's baths. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys too with the products that I use. I kind of want to incorporate that kind of stuff, daily life, since we're stuck at home. I might as well show you guys what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the DIY and video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you guys have any video ideas, I'd love to know. Tell me down below and I'd love to make them. And I will see you in the next video.